Yes, YouTube. Welcome back again. Dumpage for BTC again. They came for crazy sell side liquidity. We saw downside. We lost critical daily support, previous daily support. The thing is, we bounced on the 786 on a local swing high on the 4-hour time frame, or the 1-hour time frame, excuse me, to see a reversal now. Yesterday I posted on my X profile that I saw a reversal coming on the 1 minute after a shark fin, and we created a reversal, right? It's the 4th week of the month of June. So it's Monday, we can expect some volume. Mondays are also known because of fake outs, but the thing is, they came for crazy liquidity. If you check the order book, liquidity heat map, you can see that most liquidity is gone now, right? So there's a lot of sell side liquidity on the upside for people who are going short now at the moment. So guys, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and this is this local swing high I told you on the 4-hour time frame, and we retraced the 786 here. If you go to the 15-minute, you can literally see that we have a market structure shift, right? The thing is now, what you want to see is we still have this small piece of fair value gap that we need to close actually. So what I'm expecting is, one, that we will sweep liquidity underneath this wick to fill up this last piece of gap to retrace the 786 on the daily, or to retrace this 786 or the 618, actually the 618, to go back up to sell side liquidity. That's a little bit the situation now, what I'm expecting for BTC. And again, what I told you in my previous video, they tried to create as much fear as possible to wipe out as much long traders as possible, even spot traders actually. The thing is, there's a lot of fear now in the market. There was a lot of fear. The thing is, I become very excited actually when I see red candles in this case, because it's a discount market, right? Discount market on the daily. What will a market maker do? They are searching for long positions. If you go to the liquidity heat map, you can literally see all these buy orders coming in now, right? On the right levels, you can see that the bull stepping in here clearly to create a market structure shift, right? This is crazy volume actually. And you can literally see there's one spike here underneath this wick, and that's actually the 786 on the daily time frame. So I'm expecting a liquidity sweep during New York time to take out this spike here and to eventually fly up. That's a little bit what I'm expecting now for BTC. So guys, in the group we already took this trade, so we catch the bottom in the group. We are up now somewhere around 260%. I thought, if you go to my X profile, you can see that I posted this P&L card from the group. If you want to join the crypto gainers, go to the link in description, and it's totally free to join. And you can just follow this trades I take myself on a daily basis. So guys, quick update on BTC. It's Monday, expect volume. We're making a reversal now. We have a market structure shift on the 15-minute time frame, and I become a little bit excited for this week. So guys, with that said, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.